Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 5 students. Okay, grade 5 students, let's imagine that one day a few visitors from space came to our classroom. How would you feel? You will feel strange. Okay, so what kind of questions you will ask from the guests who they came from outer space? Okay, fine. So students, today we are going to start a new chapter and it's related with your some guests who they are not from Earth, they are from outer space. And student, our today's chapter name is Visitors from Outer Space. Visitors from outer space. Grade 5 students, as you know that always we start a new chapter with new terminologies for the better understanding of the chapter. Yes, you know that. So grade 5 students, I am going to tell you about today's new terminologies from the chapter Visitors from Outer Space. Visitors from outer space. So grade 5 students, are you ready to learn new terminologies from this chapter? Okay, great. So be careful and listen to me. Our first new terminology is atmosphere. 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 Now repeat this word with me, class. Atmosphere. Atmosphere. Our next terminology is nebula. 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 Now repeat it with me. Nebula. Nebula. Our next terminology is collide. 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 Repeat this term with me, grade 5 students. Collide. Collide. Our next terminology is telescope. 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 Now repeat it with me. Telescope. Telescope. Our next terminology is brown dwarf. Brown dwarf. Brown dwarf. Now repeat it with me. Brown dwarf. Brown dwarf. Okay, now one by one I will explain you all the terminologies and we will show you the pictures as well. So students, our first terminology is atmosphere. You know what is atmosphere? The envelope of gases surrounding the earth and another planet is called एटमॉस्फेयर. लाइक वो तमाम गैसेस एक एनवेलप की तरह है जिसने हमारी ज़मीन को घेरे हुआ है और डिफरेंट किसी भी प्लैनेट को तो उस चीज़ को क्या कहते हैं? एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हैं. द एनवेलप ऑफ गैसेस सराउंडिंग द अर्थ और अनदर प्लैनेट इज कॉल्ड एटमॉस्फेयर. सो ग्रेड 5 स्टूडेंट्स, आवर नेक्स्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी इज nebula. A nebula is an interstellar cloud of dust, hydrogen, helium and other ionized gases in space is called nebula. So I am going to repeat it again. A nebula is an interstellar cloud of dust, hydrogen, helium and other ionized gases in space is called nebula. So student, our next terminology is collide. What is collide? Hit by accident when moving. कोई भी चीज़ घूमते हुए किसी भी चीज़ के साथ हिट कर जाए उसको क्या कहते हैं? कोलाइड. Hit by accident when moving. So our fourth terminology is telescope. So what is telescope? An optical instrument designed to make distant objects appear nearer, containing an arrangements of lenses or ऑफ कर्व्ड मिरर्स. तो एक टेलीस्कोप एक ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है जो ख़ास तौर पे डिज़ाइन किया जाता है जो बहुत दूर ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनको करीब से देखने के लिए, और ये कंटेनिंग एन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ इसमें लेंसेज हैं और डिफरेंट कर्व्स मिरर्स होते हैं. सो आवर टुडेज लास्ट टर्म इज ब्राउन ड्वार्फ. सो व्हाट आर ब्राउन ड्वार्फ? A celestial object, a celestial object intermediate in size between a giant planet and a small star is called brown dwarf. A celestial object intermediate in size between a giant planet and a smaller star is called brown dwarf. It's believed to emit mainly infrared radiation. तो एक सेलेस्टियल ऑब्जेक्ट जो एक बहुत बड़े प्लैनेट और एक स्मॉलर स्टार के बिटवीन हो, डेट इज़ कॉल्ड ब्राउन ड्वार्फ, एंड इट्स एमिट मेनली इंफ्रारेड radiations. So grade 5 students, I have divided your terms in 2 days. It was our first day and our topic name is visitors from outspace. So students, now you have to do internet research. First you have to write all these 5 terminologies in your copies with explanation. Then you have to search these terms on Google and you have to find more definitions and facts about these terminologies, and you have to learn the spellings of these terms as well. So this is your home assignment for today. Inshallah, tomorrow again we will discuss few more terminologies from this chapter, visitors from outer space. Okay, grade 5 students, take care. Allah Hafiz.